Alright, well, sorry neighbors. Import Alliance, Atlanta, we made it. 1,000-mile road trip, couple little hiccups here and there. Woohoo! However, I'll tell you guys all about that maybe a little bit later in this video, but man, oh man, we're here, we are waiting in line at the Super Showcase. I was running all around this place to try and find the entryway, but we made it. We'll catch back up when we're at the show, man. This is gonna be ridiculous. There's some drifting in this show too. I forgot about that. I just saw the coupe, I was like, one thing, man, this clutch is not meant for stop and go traffic. It was really bad coming into town. We were stuck in stop and go traffic about 2 hours yesterday, or 2 days ago. But now we're just in line again. This clutch, man, she gnarly. Stage 5 comp, 6-puck, yeah.
Your hood scoop is like, oh, I just got it out of paint yesterday.
Oh!
The whole car got
just got it out of paint. What? Yeah, the whole car?
Yeah.
Damn,
he's like, don't touch it.
Wow.
Must be soft.
We here, we made it. It's about to rain, but that's okay. They're drifting, they're sliding. We're about to go kind of walk around, see what's good. Let's go check out some cars. Well, I apparently picked the wrong wrap for my car because I should have got the marble. That is killer. Woo! What? Holy shit. That car looks familiar. There's the man right there. There's the man. What happened, David?
20. Yeah, the wheel cleaner is the stuff you just spray on. Buy some stuff. No,
buy some stuff. Buy some stuff from this man. Support his goodness. Oh, thank you.
Cash money.
Thank you so much. Oh yes. Oh yes. Ooh.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. My car's close by.
Okay,
it's close by.
I know. Thank you, dude.
Of course. Thank you so much. I'll be back.
Okay, I'll see you.
Excuse me, sir.
Hey,
Are you that guy?
Yes.
That guy?
That guy with the YouTube channel? Yeah, that's me.
What'd you get?
Quick detailer. It's a wheel cleaner.
You need that now. White wheel game.
Buy this man stuff. Do it. Sure. Yeah. Alright, bud. Alright, Greg, this is on you, man. This better come out good. No, I'm just playing. It's gonna come out good. I'm not a sticker guy, but gotta represent a little bit. Oh, she's coming out nice so far. It's gonna probably take a little while though.
What you got planned for the 300?
Yeah, so I bought the RB25.
It's pretty good, actually. I like that. I like that. What do you think of it? I think that looks not too bad. Oh, that? I think it makes it a little bit slower. Adds a little culture. Oh, this is his. Oh, sorry. No, I like it.
Oh yeah, what do you guys think? Sticker gang. Shout out to the Greg. Yeah. Well, no, actually, he kind of got like a vector, and then he put in the KG and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, if you guys need any custom stickers or you want something like this for your car, just Visual Expressions. Link is in the description.
You want to sit by your car?
Yeah.
Eat on the ground?
Yeah, let's do that. carbon R33. What? Excuse me? I'm sorry. What was it? What was that? Full carbon Skyline? Yeah, sure. What?
Stock turbo?
This is what I need for the 240. Look at this.
That's funny.
Who needs pop? Why pop your hood when you can just see through it? The Z's down here are too good, man. Those look familiar, but if we look closer, no black barrels. Very good, thanks, man. Look at this man. Look at this man. Look at him at work. All right, what do you got to say?
JDM for life. If
you
you
go.
like domestic, I don't like you.
Oh, okay.
Follow my gram at xx.me
Hey.
and like my pics. Hold on, what's your YouTube?
I don't know how I missed this, but yeah, that's a 30 block that's been bored. So RB34. Holy shit, the Z's out here are crazy, man. Woo. What do you guys think? Good exit of the 240. This thing makes 1100 horsepower. What? Runs 8s on the track, man. 8s. Woo. Look at this thing, though. Yeah. What do you guys think about this, man? How do you guys feel about this? You digging it? Let me know. Alright, so you guys saw when I did the silicone strip on my kit. Oops, sorry. This is where I got my inspiration from right here. From the man Nakai himself. Look at how smooth that silicone is, dude. Wow. You can see like right where he ended it too. Hand built, man. That's awesome. It's tough, man. It's like harder than writing on a whiteboard. There we go, brother. Woo! That's working for me. There you go. Awesome. Hell yeah, brother. Thanks. And who's the snowman over here? Look at the snowman. You know, it's not how you stand by a car. It's how you race your car. Alright guys, so I don't know what time it is, but I just spent so much time talking to all you guys out there. Huge shout out to anyone out there who just came up and said what's up. Signed an iPhone, a steering wheel, a backpack, and a couple t-shirts. So shout out to everyone out there who showed support. You guys are awesome. We're just kind of walking around now. Probably getting some food, getting some drinks, check out some more drifting. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. I'm having a great time. We're having a great time. Let's keep it rolling. So I know you guys want me to get a wing on my 240. I think I found the one, so I'm gonna order this one, and we'll have an install vid here shortly. Woo! Looks like it's my stop. Oh! Appreciate the lift, gentlemen. What a cute little guy. All right, gentlemen, that is a wrap. Import Alliance, day 1. I'm not 100% sure we'll be back for day 2, but day 1 was a success to hop in the 240, get some food, and get the hell out of here. It's gorgeous, by the way, gorgeous. I need to move down here. You guys need to convince me. We need to get down here ASAP. Let's get going. Still got my drink, though.
I know you're like vlogging. He's watched this entire build ever since this car started, dude.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
hey,
Dude,
yeah,
this is gorgeous.
Dude, it turned out great.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Hell of work, but it's worth it in the end. You know what I mean? So
I had an S14 dude, he's got so many projects in the works right now. It's unreal.
I've got to move on.
Dude. KA or?
It was it's SR20.
Okay, so it's just not running. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. Oh, cop. Nope, not a cop. Sorry. Got sketched out. Oh, she's home again. And yeah, this place is a mess. Today is consisting of cleaning. Great to see the old girl back. Huge, again, I just want to give a huge shout out to every single one of you who came up during the show and said what's up, got a picture. Whoever got a sticker, shout out to any of you guys. You guys are the real MVP. It was really awesome to kind of meet the community. It was super cool to talk to you guys, and definitely can't wait to do it more often and more frequently. Had a blast at the show, guys. It was a hike, man. There's a couple little things we have to talk about. As you guys just heard, I think my throwout bearing is getting a little funky. When I was sitting in traffic for like 2 hours, it was just constant stop and go, stop and go. And with this clutch that I have, it's like a stage 5 competition clutch. Shout out competition, you guys are awesome. The products are awesome, it's nothing against them, but I remember when I put in the transmission, when I did the whole KA swap, I didn't change the throwout bearing, and it's only when the clutch, it's like very rarely when the clutch is in, but always when I put it into gear and like start letting the clutch out. So I'm gonna go with that. I really don't think it's a slave cylinder. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna have to drop the tranny to do it. So it's gonna be more content. Woo! But no, I mean, car did phenomenal. Phenomenal. 2,000 mile road trip, guys. Not a single hiccup besides, I guess, you know, day 1 of the trip. Woo! Woohoo! If you guys missed any of the previous content, man, go ahead and check it out. There's a lot of cool stuff that's been going on. I've been slacking, but hopefully by the time you guys see this video, I'll be kind of back on my game. It is, I think it's the 27th or 28th of March today, so I guess that's kind of in relation to when this video goes up. But yes, just wanted to say again, thank you to everyone out there. I know I'm rambling, but a lot of stuff coming up, guys. S14 build about to go strong right now, and then after that, we actually have another car coming in, but depending on when that car comes in and how soon we can finish this, we have a whole build for the 300. We have so many parts lined up, way more that are here already. We have way more than that already. Huge shout out goes to David, that dude in blue. It was awesome to see him and Alejandra again. We went to get an awesome steak dinner. It was much needed after a huge day at Import Alliance. And obviously a huge shout out to Kyle and Chris for meeting up, hanging out for a little bit.
Yeah.
Grabbing a bite to eat. It's always a pleasure seeing those guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. See you guys later. Peace.